Hi everybody. I saw this look on Instagram that I really wanted to recreate, so I'm gonna put it somewhere in here. And it was really pretty. It had like purples and pinks, and it just reminds me of summer. So I really want to do that myself. I need to prime my lids first, so I'm just gonna take this Tarte. I don't use this, what the hell. Okay, I'm gonna take the ColourPop No Filter Concealer and just prime my eyes with this. Okay, so now that my eyes are primed, I'm gonna take Wild Child, the pink, the super bright pink. Okay, and the moment we've all been waiting for, dimension. I'm gonna put that on the mid. That's not gonna show up. I'm gonna cut my crease just a bit. So I'm just gonna take dimension, dab, 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 dab. I'm using the brush it came with, and I'm just like pressing that into where I put the concealer. Also going in with a little bit of a Cyrus, which is the indigo-y dark blue shade right here, and helping add a little bit of dimension here. And so you do want to still take more of a Cyrus, which is that blue color, and bring it up into the pink right here in the middle of the eyelid. Kind of just bring it up a little bit into the crease, just a bit. I'm going back into Wild Child. I'm just gonna like go over everything. So for bottom, like smudging at the bottom, I'm just gonna bring a smudger brush and I'm just gonna smudge, smudge. Since we're using this palette, I'm gonna take the Free Spirit right here I'm gonna use that for inner corner. So now I think I'm just gonna put on some mascara, lashes, and then like bronze, blush, come back. Hey guys, I'm back. Okay, I've got my lashes on, and these lashes, they're the Makeup Shack Kalani lashes. This is my first time using them, so I actually really like them. I went in and kind of smoked out the bottom lash line. I don't know if I filmed that, but I did that. That's it for today's video. I've just been feeling a lot more creative, and I've been wanting to experiment with color more so lately. So getting away from like bronzes and golds, I've been trying to get into color. And that's actually it for this look. I hope you guys liked it. Make sure you follow me on social media, Twitter and Instagram. And I'll see you in my next video. Peace out.